Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete and deactivate a theme from your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner, you can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have one, just go and create a new one. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So once you have entered, open up a home page of your WordPress website. Now here at the left side screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with deactivating our theme. What we are looking for is right here at the left side screen. You want to find the appearance section. By putting your mouse on the appearance section, it's going to open up this new menu of three options, and one of the options is going to be called themes. So you want to open up themes. So after opening up your themes, guys, this is going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the themes you can use for your WordPress website. You're going to have your themes right here in the upper right corner. You can get started with installing a new theme and so on. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and select the next theme that you want to use. So all you have to do to deactivate the theme you're currently using is to go ahead and select a different theme, because as you can see, once you select a new theme, this one is not going to be in use anymore and is going to deactivate itself, so nobody will be able to see that theme anymore. So just select a different theme you want to use for your website, and doing that is going to deactivate your current one, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.